I hope you're doing well. Now, as some of you might know, I really love the GLAMGLOW products. I've got a wash by them and a mask by them, and one of my most watched videos on my channel was of a GLAMGLOW mask review. So I thought it'd be a really good idea to do a sort of GLAMGLOW versus GLAMGLOW product, because they're such expensive pieces of skincare, and I'm really looking forward to sort of choosing my next one, but I don't know which one I want to get. So very handily, my mum sent me 2 of these samples that she got while she was out shopping in Australia. So she goes to Mecca Cosmetica, which is like a big makeup store in Australia. It's very popular, and they do little sample packages for you. So what I've got here is the GLAMGLOW FLASHMUD Brightening Treatment and the GLAMGLOW THIRSTYMUD Hydrating Treatment. So I just thought it would be really fun to put half on one side, half on the other, leave it on and then see which one I prefer. So the FLASHMUD Brightening Treatment says apply to dry face in circular motions to pre-exfoliate, then leave on for 20 minutes and wash off with water. So I'll do that one first. I have already washed my face just using my regular usual cleanser. So this side did feel quite gritty while I was applying it. It's like a very fine grit, and it smells really nice. It smells a bit like, a little bit citrusy. And I've just noticed that this side of my face is the one with all the spots on it, so I don't know if that was the best idea to hydrate this side, but we're committed. So this one has no exfoliants in it, so it literally just says apply even layer, leave on or wipe off after desired time. So looks like it's going to be about 20 minutes. So that one went on really smoothly. So the GLAMGLOW THIRSTYMUD Hydrating Treatment, it feels really cool on the face. It's completely smooth. It's almost a little bit translucent. It applies really nicely. It feels really cool and smooth on the skin. It feels like it's almost forming a protective layer, and I don't feel like it's going to dry at all. It doesn't seem like it's got any clay in it. It just seems like just a very hydrating treatment sort of thing. The GLAMGLOW FLASHMUD Brightening Treatment is really gritty, very sort of sandpapery almost. The grit's really small and tiny, and you can really feel it exfoliating as you apply it. I'm not sure if this has clay in it. It feels like it might dry a little bit, but this one doesn't feel cooling or anything. It feels just like a normal mask, but there's no sort of tingling on the skin. It just feels like it's just a normal clay mask really.
20 minutes later.
So I've had the masks on for about 20-25 minutes. This side is still quite tacky. It hasn't dried. It's less sort of wet than it was when I first put it on. This side has dried quite a bit, but it's not, I can still, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove these. So the FLASHMUD says to just wash off with water, and this one says to wipe off. So I'm probably going to go ahead and wipe this one off first. I'm breaking out a fresh Lizelle hot cloth cleanser cloth for this. Just thought, is this gonna make my face half really hydrated and half really bright? The coffee delivery has arrived. Okay, let's go and analyse this situation. I just prefer it in my bedroom so I can get nearer to the natural light of the window. So, I hate to say it, I feel like I've got one half of my face brighter than the other. Is that right? Like, I'm sure it is just ever so slightly because it's my own face and I can tell. But like, I'm sure that this side of my face looks so bright. Or is it just because I've got like spots on this side? If I cover that. I think this side of my face looks a lot brighter. I will also say that the exfoliation in that mask was absolutely lovely. Like, it's exactly the kind of exfoliation I want. I hate it when you get an exfoliating wash and it's just like 3 grains in like a dollop of it and it just doesn't exfoliate enough. The hydrating one, my skin feels so smooth, and I can see, I almost feel like it was invented for plane journeys, because if I had this with me on a plane ride, like a long one, it would be so nice to be able to just go into the toilets and chuck this on and let your skin sort of rebalance a little bit. Neither side feels tight or anything. Neither side was ever uncomfortable. I found this side was probably easier just because, you know, you just wipe it off, but I think it's designed to be easier to use, whereas this one I think it would have preferred if I didn't use a cloth to remove it and just used water, but I was trying not to flood the bathroom, so I used a cloth, and it still feels really, really gorgeous. It feels so much nicer than... So to the touch, this side feels nicer, the one that had the brightening treatment on, but just like as it feels on my face, this side feels really, really nice still. It still feels very hydrated and like soothed and cooled. It feels almost like there's menthol on this side of my face, whereas this side just feels like normal now. But this one feels better like this, and this one feels better like this. Like, it's like there's a little breeze on my face. So I think when all the scientific research has been conducted, I think I'm gonna say that I preferred this one, and this one is probably going to be the one that I buy when I run out of the one that I'm currently using. Let me know what you guys think though. Let me know if there's other ones that are better than those two that I'd want to try, in case one of those might be better for me. So the one that I've got at the moment, it's so tiny because it's so expensive, but it's the GLAMGLOW THIRSTYMUD clearing treatment. This was a Christmas present and I'm trying to make it last as long as possible because I really don't want to have to buy a new one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for putting up with this face again, and I will see you in the next video.